how to find login service on Shopify easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find login service. First open your browser, and now once you're here all you need to do just click on your profile here in top corner and then click manage account. And now once you're here click here we'll find login service, and that's it. Here you can manage it. You can find any login service here, you use it, and that's it. And you can remove it, just click disconnect, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.